Write down the reciprocal of 8. Now you either know what reciprocal means or you don't, to be honest, and what it actually means is a reciprocal graph, for example. I'm going way off the topic here, aren't I? But a reciprocal graph of 1 over x, y equals 1 over x, looks like this. And it basically means it's 1 over whatever you're interested in. So the reciprocal of 8 is simply 1 over 8, which is 0.125, but I think it's absolutely fine to leave it as a fraction. Finally, work out the value of k here. This does not look nice, does it? But we can deal with it. If we can change that forward to the 5 in terms of 2, then we're in a really good place. And what you can do actually is write 4 as 2 squared and raise that to the power of 5. Okay, I'm just rewriting the equation because now I can use my rules of powers and write this as 2 to the power of 10. This is looking much better. Okay, I'm basically going to leave the right-hand side by itself. I'm just manipulating the left-hand side. Now I add these powers. 10 plus minus 4 is going to give me 2 to the 6 equals 2 to the k, and that's the answer. K is going to equal 6. Could you do it any other way? You could, I suppose you could. This is a calculator question. I did it without a calculator. You could do 4 to the power of 5 multiplied by 2 to the power of minus 4. You might not have any idea what 2 to the power of minus 4 is, but that will give me 64. And then you could try like 2 to the power of some things until you get to 2 to the power of 6, which gives you 64. Now, I don't think that's as nice a solution. You'd have to show sufficient working, but that should also be okay. It's important, especially later on in papers, that you have an understanding of going from, being able to go from 4 to 2, for example.